In the figure below, the area of the square ABDE is 100 cm square. Line FC is parallel to line AB. The ratio of the area of the shaded parts to the unshaded part is 1:3. Find the area of the unshaded part. So we know that the area of the square ABDE is 100 cm square. So ABDE is here. Since we know its area, we would be able to find the length of AB, BD, DE, and AE. So to find the length of, let's say, AE would just be the square root of 100, which is 10 cm. So we know that all these are 10 cm, 10 cm, right? So we also know that the area of the shaded parts to the unshaded parts in terms of ratio is 1:3. Now let's look at the shaded part. If we were to look at triangle FED, and we use this as the base, which is your DE, then the height of this triangle would be this part here, which is also this part here. Let's look at triangle ABC, which is shaded. If we were to take this as the base, then the perpendicular height will actually be this part here, because we are supposed to find this as the perpendicular height, which is similar to this. So to find the area of triangle is half times base times height, right? So if you actually go and look carefully, triangle ABC is just half times AB times this height, and to find the area of this triangle is half times 10 times this height. So combining them together, I can actually find the area of shaded parts, which is actually given by half times the base. Both of them have a common base, which is 10 cm, times their total combined height is also equivalent to 10 cm. So that's to say, this is divided by 2, I get 5 here. So the area of the shaded part is 50 cm square. Since we know that in terms of ratio, it is actually 1 unit as compared to the unshaded part, which is 3 units. Therefore, to find the area of unshaded part, I just need to use 3 times 50, which is 150 cm square. Okay, so just to repeat, how can I actually find the area of the shaded part? Because both of them have got the same base, and their height can combine together, which is the pink plus the blue, to give us the length of the square. Therefore, we can simply use the combined height, which is also 10.